Good morning, boys and girls. Today for science, we get to do our first light experiment. How exciting! Before we do our first light experiment, there are 3 important words that we need to review. The first word is opaque. Can you practice saying opaque? Opaque. It kind of sounds like a weird word, and opaque means that objects do not let light pass through them. We cannot see through them. So if I'm looking out into the classroom right now, there's nothing in front of my face except for the air. The air is letting light go through it, so that way I can see things that are across the room. If the air was not letting light go through it, or if I was holding something in front of my face like this person is, and light could not go through it, I would not be able to see the cupboards on the other side of the classroom. So if I'm holding something in front of my face and I can't see through it, remember we see things because they are illuminated. So if they're not illuminated, that means that light is not passing through the object that we are holding. I just inhaled the wrong way. All right, so opaque, light does not get through. And one thing that you might choose to do is highlight this. If you have a yellow marker or a marker that's a little bit lighter, opaque does not let light pass through. Okay. Our next word is translucent. Translucent. Can you practice saying translucent? The next 2 are a little bit tougher because they both start the same way. Translucent means that objects let some light pass through. We can see through them slightly. Okay? So some light can pass through, and we see through them slightly. These are the 3 important words. Translucent, some light. We can see slightly. So I can't see this person's face, right? Because it's opaque. Whatever he's holding in front of his face is opaque. I cannot see through it. I cannot see his face. Translucent, some light is going through it, so I can see through it, but not clearly. I can only see through it slightly. So he doesn't look exactly the same. He's a little bit muted. Okay? He's not as bright and vibrant. I can tell that there's something in front of his face. So light is passing through it, but I can't see it clearly. Okay? Transparent is the last word that we're learning today. Transparent. Transparent means that objects let all the light pass through, and we can see them. I want you to add a word to this. I want you to add clearly. C-L-E-A-R-L-Y. Clearly. All light passes through things that are transparent, and it allows us to see things clearly. Okay? So I can see this boy's face clear. It's not like frosted or muted like this one. It's clear. I only can see the outline because all of the light is able to go through it, and I can see through it clearly. All right. Here is a little bit of a tricky part. Magnifying glass. And then if you want to do the magnifying glass, here's how to do this. I didn't run you copies of the magnifying glass, and that is okay. What I would do is just use the piece of materials you're going to need aluminum foil, saran wrap or plastic wrap, and wax paper. Those are the 3 things that you're going to need. If you have the ability and would like to, make a copy of the magnifying glass, cut the center out, and put that material in the center of the magnifying glass, you can do that. If you don't, you're just going to look like the boy, okay? So ask someone to help you. Get a piece of, you need a piece of tin foil, a piece of saran wrap or plastic wrap, same thing. You're not going to want to use the what's it called? Press and seal kind though. You're going to want saran wrap kind. And then the other one that you're going to need is wax paper. And if you just have a strip like it comes out of the box, that's going to be fine. That's going to be fine. It's not going to be as fancy, but that's okay. It's still going to be fun, and it's still going to be okay. So this is the page that we're doing with that, okay? So the first question says, when you look at things through the magnifying glass with the tin foil, or just hold the tin foil up and try looking around your, whatever room you're in, try looking around, what do you see? Okay? And we're going to write in a complete sentence, I see blank. And then remember to end your sentence with a punctuation. When you look at things through the magnifying glass with the wax paper, what do you see? I see blank. When you look at things through the magnifying glass with the clear cover, what do you see? So this would be the saran wrap or the plastic wrap. I see blank. And I'll write that here so that way you remember. I see, and then you're not going to write the line, you're going to fill in the line. Maybe you write, I can see too. Okay? And then end with a period. I see period. Okay? So writing in complete sentences, you can say I see or I can see or a variation of that. Now, match us up. So here's our 3 pieces of material that we used. You used aluminum foil, wax paper, and clear cover is plastic wrap or saran wrap. You're going to match each one of these up to the terms that we learned. So, remember what transparent means. Remember what opaque means. Remember what translucent means. Which one of these is aluminum foil? Is aluminum foil transparent, where I can see through it clearly? Is aluminum foil opaque, where I can't see through it at all? Or is aluminum foil translucent, where I can see through it but not super clear? What is wax paper? Transparent, opaque, translucent. And what is the clear cover? Transparent, opaque, or translucent? This is your page that you're doing. I would like to see your answers. I'm very interested to see what you thought that you, or what you could see, not what you thought, because you are using your eyeballs to see. So I'm very interested to see what you did see. Have a good day, guys, and I hope that you have fun. And you can impress the people in your house with the 3 big words that you learned today. And you can see if they know, and if they don't, you can tell them the definition of those 3 words because you learned them today and you are so smart.